Having trouble with your Crossbeats Torq? Let's show you how to reset them back to normal. Please follow the steps. First, make sure your Crossbeats Torq earbuds are fully charged. Now, on your paired mobile phone or laptop, delete the CB-TORQ-L and CB-TORQ-R Bluetooth profiles on the phone's Bluetooth list. Next, replace both the earbuds back in the charging case. You will see the red LED light on both earbuds. Now, press and hold the power button on the charging case for 10 seconds until the red LED lights turn off and turn on. Now, take out both earbuds from the charging case. You will see the red and blue LED lights flash on both earbuds and then stop. Now, the blue LED light only on the left earbuds will begin to flash, indicating the earbuds have entered pairing mode successfully. You can now search for CB-TORQ-L on your mobile phone's Bluetooth list and connect.